Want to convert your crypto to cash on Revolut in 2025? Here's the full step-by-step guide to selling your crypto and withdrawing the funds. Step 1, open the Revolut app, log in and go to the crypto section in the app. Step 2, choose the cryptocurrency. Tap on the crypto you want to sell, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other supported coin. Step 3, tap Sell. Select the Sell button. Enter the amount of crypto you want to convert to fiat currency. Step 4, confirm the transaction. Check the rate and tap Sell Now. The funds will be added to your Revolut balance instantly. Step 5, withdraw the money. Now head to your main Revolut account, tap Withdraw, choose your linked bank account, and enter the amount you want to transfer. Tip: Revolut may charge a small fee depending on your plan and transaction type. Always check the final amount before confirming. That's it. You've just sold your crypto and withdrawn the cash, all within a few taps. For more quick crypto guides, hit like and follow.